Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show one nice little amazing car, and this is the Audi A1. It's a nice silver exterior color. The wheels are dark gray metallic, or graphite gray as some would say. It's a nice modern car, and it's done with a good attention to detail. So now let's just stop looking through the window of the box, take it out and look it up. The box was packed very well. The model has a very good attention to detail. The headlights and the grille are made of separate pieces of plastic. In the back we see a nice Audi emblem, as well as on the left side we see the A1, and on the right side it says TDI. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for the nice compact Audi video. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you're looking to buy this nice Audi, I'll include a link for you down in the description. As always, thanks for watching and have a good one.